Stanislavski acting refers to the acting techniques developed by Russian theater practitioner Konstantin Stanislavski, who is widely regarded as one of the most influential figures in the development of modern acting. His system emphasizes the psychological and emotional connection an actor must create with their character, aiming to produce a performance that is genuine, believable, and authentic. Key elements of Stanislavski acting. Number one, emotional memory. Concepts. Stanislavski believed that an actor could tap into their own first emotions to understand and convey the emotions of the character. This process is known as emotional memory and affective memory, where the actor recalls a personal experience that elicits similar feelings to those their character might experience. For example, if a character is grieving the loss of loved one, the actor might recall a time they experienced loss to evoke genuine sorrow in their performances. Number two, given circumstances. Refer to all the details provided in the script about the character's life background, environment, relationship, situation. Stanislavski emphasized that an actor must fully understand these circumstances to portray the character's behavior, motivation, and choices realistically. For example, if a character is going through a financial crisis, the actor needs to understand how this affects their outlook and behavior in the scene. Objective and the super objective. Stanislavski believed that every character has an over overarching goal or purpose throughout a play or performance is known as the super objective. Within each individual scene, the character has specific objectives, a smaller goal that drives their actions in the moment. For example, in Hamlet's super object might be to avenge his father's death. In a particular scene, his objective might be to confront his mother about her marriage to his uncle. Number four, the magic if. The concept is a technique where the actor imagines themselves in the character's circumstances, asking, what would I do if I were in these situations? This helps actors immerse themselves in the character life and allows them to make the performance feel real and emotionally truthful. For example, if a character is in a dangerous situation, the actor might ask, what would I do if I were about to be trapped in a burning building, to better understand the physical and emotional response. Number five, action. For Stanislavski, an actor's performance must be motivated by actions that character takes to achieve their goals instead of simply delivering lines. An actor must focus on the actions their character is performing and how those actions lead to the fulfillment of the character's objectives. For example, a character might say, I need to talk to you, but their true action might be to confront or to persuade the other character. Number six, subtext. Subtext refers to the underlying meaning or thoughts that are not explicitly stated in the dialogue. Stanislavski encouraged actors to understand what is unsaid, as much of the character truth is conveyed through subtext. A character might say, I am fine, but the subtext, which can be conveyed through the tone, body language, or a pause, may suggest that they are deeply troubled. Concentration and observation. Stanislavski emphasized the importance of an actor's ability to concentrate deeply on the task at the hand and to observe the world around them. To better understand human behavior, he encouraged actors to observe real people and real situations to enrich their performances. An actor might spend time observing how people interact in a cafe to understand the rhythms and subtleties of social behavior, which can then be applied to their characters' interactions. Number 8, relaxation. Concept here is Stanislavski believed that physical and emotional mental relaxation is essential for an actor to perform effectively. Tension or anxiety could hinder an actor's ability to connect with their character or execute their performance with authenticity. For example, before a performance, an actor might use breathing exercise or physical warm ups to release tension and enter a relaxed state ready to perform naturally. Number 9, inner justification. Stanislavski argued that every action performed by a character must be justified from the character's perspective. The actor needs to understand why their character makes a particular choice or behaves in a certain way to ensure that the performance feels truthful and motivated. For example, if a character is angry or lashes out, the actor needs to understand what inner emotional justification drives that outburst. Number 10, the ensemble. Stanislavski believed that acting is not just an individual endeavor but a collaborative one. He emphasized the importance of ensemble work where actors work together to create a cohesive performance. This teamwork ensures that the interactions between characters feel organic and spontaneous. In a scene, the actor listens and responds to the actions of the other performers, allowing the scenes to evolve naturally instead of focusing solely on their own lines. Practical application of Stanislavski techniques. Preparation. Actors need to understand their character's background, objectives, and emotional life. This includes knowing the given circumstances and how those circumstances influence their actions. Exploration. Using techniques like emotional memory and the magic if. The actor will explore their own emotional connections to the role, imagining what it would be like to experience the character's life. During the performance, the actor must focus on the truthful, organic reactions to the other actors and the world they have created on stage. This requires deep concentration and listening skills. Example of Stanislavski's influences. In modern acting, Stanislavski's techniques are often adapted and built upon, particularly by acting coaches like Lee Strasberg, who created the method acting technique, and Stella Adler. Although variations exist, the core of Stanislavski's system remains integral to how actors approach character creation and emotional authenticity today. Conclusion. Stanislavski acting system revolutionized the way actors approached their craft by emphasizing the importance of psychological realism, emotional truth, and character motivation. His techniques are still widely used by actors across the world today and have profoundly shaped contemporary theater and film acting. Good luck.